The Garmin Forerunner 975 is poised to be a significant advancement in Garmin's lineup of fitness smartwatches, building upon the successes of its predecessors. Here's an in-depth look at what to expect from this anticipated device. Anticipated release timeline. Garmin typically follows a 2-year release cycle for its Forerunner series. Given that the Forerunner 965 was launched in March 2023, industry insiders predict that the Forerunner 975 will debut between March and June 2025. Smartwatch Insight. Smartwatch Insight. Design and build. Sleek and durable construction. The Forerunner 975 is expected to maintain the sleek design of its predecessors while incorporating more rugged materials to enhance durability. A polymer case with a titanium bezel is anticipated, offering both strength and a premium feel. Size variations. To cater to a broader audience, Garmin may introduce multiple size options for the Forerunner 975, addressing the current size limitations of the 965. Display enhancements. AMOLED display. The Forerunner 975 is rumored to feature a 1.4-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels, providing vibrant visuals and improved readability in various lighting conditions. Improved brightness and efficiency. Advancements in display technology may lead to increased brightness and power efficiency, enhancing the user experience without compromising battery life. Advanced health and fitness tracking. Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor with ECG support. The integration of Garmin's Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor is anticipated, bringing ECG functionality to the Forerunner series. This feature allows users to monitor heart rhythms and detect conditions like atrial fibrillation. Comprehensive health metrics. In addition to ECG, the Forerunner 975 is expected to offer advanced health tracking features, including VO2 max estimation, recovery time advisor, training load focus, sleep tracking with HRV status, blood oxygen saturation, SpO2, monitoring. These metrics provide users with a holistic view of their health and fitness levels. Smartwatch Insight. Battery life and charging innovations. Solar charging. Building upon the success of the Forerunner 955 Solar, the 975 is expected to reintroduce solar charging capabilities, extending battery life significantly for outdoor enthusiasts. Wireless charging. To enhance user convenience, Garmin may incorporate wireless charging technology into the Forerunner 975, moving away from proprietary charging cables. Connectivity and smart features. LTE connectivity. The inclusion of LTE support is anticipated, enabling features such as live track and safety alerts without a smartphone, emergency SOS capabilities, phone-free music streaming. This addition would provide users with greater freedom during workouts and outdoor activities. Enhanced GPS and navigation. The Forerunner 975 is expected to feature multi-band GNSS support, improving GPS accuracy in challenging environments and enhancing navigation capabilities for trail runners and adventurers. Additional features. Built-in LED flashlight. A built-in LED flashlight, similar to those found in Garmin's Fenix and Instinct series, may be included, offering added safety and convenience during low-light conditions. NFC for contactless payments. The integration of NFC technology is anticipated, allowing users to make contactless payments directly from their watch, streamlining transactions during workouts or daily activities. Expected pricing. While official pricing has not been confirmed, the Forerunner 975 is expected to be priced between $600 and $700, aligning with the pricing of its predecessor and reflecting the advanced features it offers. Conclusion. The Garmin Forerunner 975 is shaping up to be a comprehensive upgrade, combining advanced health monitoring, enhanced connectivity, and user-friendly features. Whether you're a professional athlete or a fitness enthusiast, the 975 promises to be a reliable companion in achieving your health and performance goals. Stay tuned for official announcements and prepare to elevate your fitness journey with the Garmin Forerunner 975.